Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and this is now my fourth time making your video. We're going to register for BreakoutEDU. I'm having a lot of technical difficulties on my end. We're going to start today by going to this website, student.breakoutedu.com. If you could open up a Google window and just type that in, student.breakoutedu.com, hit enter. You're going to click in where it says sign up. You're going to put in the class code. Block 1 is here, Block 2 is here, and Block 3 is here. I'm a Block 1 student, so I'm going to use this code. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to type in my user info. If you could please make sure that you are typing in your name as it appears in my gradebook. Using your last initial, you're going to use your username. This should be your Google password. You're going to hit next. It's going to ask you to pick a password. This should be your Google password as well. You're going to type it twice. You're going to hit next. It's going to ask you to double check your name, your last name, your username, and your password. Once that is all good, you're going to click Create the Account. When you create the account, our block should show up here. You want to go to the game library. Here is the assignment. You're going to click Play, and it's that easy. Have fun. If you have any questions, remember you can watch this video as many times as you need. Otherwise, just enjoy the game and have fun breaking out of the box.